Hi, Chris Saunders here, Integrated Communications, creators of the ELD in a box. There are two things that I love. I love this country and I love the truckers that keep this country moving. And the number one problem in the industry is driver turnover. It's not pay, it's not trucks. You've got great trucks, you've got great pay, you got great benefits, you got great referral bonuses. We can't do anything about our customers. They are who they are. You know, the loading dock person's gonna be the loading dock person. But what it comes down to give your driver the best possible experience in the cab of the truck and on the road is their interaction with their ELD unit. I mean, you got these terminal-based ELDs that are phasing out and they're becoming tablets, and those tablets can do a lot more. So why don't we look at making those tablets become an enhancement in the cab of the truck as opposed to a boat anchor that just logs their hours? And so we have an approach that's different in the industry. It's actually quite simple. GSM, having the right gear, okay? Making sure that it's set up the right way, and then making sure that it's managed the right way. But it doesn't just stop there, because you can enhance that driver's life on the road in a multitude of ways. You can deploy things like driver tools. You know, access to, weather and traffic and turn-by-turn navigation, truck parking, various applications that enhances that driver's life and makes their job easier. You know that the driver has to be trained, not only on how to use the ELD system, but CDL training and compliance training. You can work with companies like Carrier's Edge, which we have a partnership with, to deliver the training videos right to the cab of the truck. And then communicating with dispatch. Driver communication is very important. So you can deploy things like Zello push-to-talk with Stone Mountain's microphones, and we could have a CB radio connection right to dispatch. You're in, you're out, you get your information, everybody's happy. And then we have things like recognition that you could do. You could have the president of your company or the leadership in your company recognize drivers, make announcements, send videos out to the drivers, thanking them for what they do for the company. I mean, it's not rocket science. What it is giving the driver every possible thing that they can get on that ELD tablet. And whenever you do that, you ensure that the driver does not have any issues with their ELD. So if they're leaving your company, it is not because of the ELD. It is because of something else. And all we want to do is just help you make that driver's life a lot easier on the road, give them the best possible experience in the cab of that truck, and save them from leaving your company. Thank you so much for watching.